Electroneum app, full honest review. Best crypto app for beginners and everyday use? I'm going to tell you if Electroneum is the best crypto app for beginners and daily use. The Electroneum app is super beginner friendly with a clean interface and fast setup. It lets you buy, send, and store ETN tokens without much hassle. It's built with everyday users in mind, especially in regions with limited access to traditional banking. The in app top up features for mobile airtime and utility payments are a unique plus, but ETN's limited adoption and volatility holds it back from being a true daily driven crypto. Great for starting out and learning, yes, but not quite the all in one crypto solution just yet.